pretty neat, interesting, maybe, unboxing today. I have another StitchFix unboxing, but I thought that because of my body shape and the type of clothes I normally wear, I really wanted to see how StitchFix Maternity actually looks, the quality, and of course, the fit. So today, I am wearing, this one is actually from Primark originally. It's a Primark dress that I got from Poshmark. And it is a UK 16. So I think it could use a little bit of fitting here and there, but for all intents and purposes, it wears really nicely. It fits very nicely. So I think because my size range is so huge, that it would help to kind of see if there are any other options that StitchFix carries that would maybe fit more trim, more fitted, but then have that natural belly room, since that is where most of my weight is carried. So I was a little bit underwhelmed. I was surprised. It came in a much smaller box, but let's see what's inside. So to be fair, to do this one, I did not use my regular stylus. I signed up for a second one to kind of do a bit of a trial series, and I didn't want to mess up what my normal stylist has been sending. Of course, they have the bag and the little notes, which I will open up second because I don't want my opinions clouded by the prices and things like that. So I shared that I'm about a second trimester, maybe early to mid. Hopefully, I mean, really, to be fair, you know, everyone shows a little bit differently. And I wanted more of a tech career kind of work-related clothing. So I used my partner's career, for example. They work in tech, and it is very male dominated, similar to the way that like upper levels of education are, even though education is still fairly female. So I want to be feminine but work appropriate. So let's check it out. Here is, I believe our last one, the Aubriana long sleeve knit cardigan. We got a cardigan very similar to this in a different color. And of course, this navy is lovely. It matches my shirt, and it has that fall open front. And I'm actually going to slide it right on. I know, I usually do a full try on afterwards, but I wanted to see it with this color like immediately. I've got poor self-control. And it is just as soft. It's got the nice long arms to it. It's got tiny snack. Yeah, and it's a nice lightweight. So let's see it with my dress here. I think it falls really nicely. Well, off to a good start. So next, we have the Les Liz top. Is green, and it does have a tie on it. A lot of the maternity clothes will, and I think that that is a neat addition even for straight sizing, because you can then have a matching belt if you tuck in your blouse with a skirt or with a really cute trouser, then you could have a matching belt. I love that. And of course, then it's nice and long. I am pretty excited to try that on. So I like that it doesn't like scream maternity to me. So I'll try that on next. And a more casual kind of t-shirt style, which looks very comfy. It does. It looks very straight side. It doesn't actually look like it's got any actual cutout or shirring to it. However, it's got a camo print, which I cannot stand. I hate it. I am not a hunter, and I am not a member of the military, and thus I don't wear camo. It's just, it rubs me the wrong way. But probably because I grew up in a military family. Both my parents and a bunch of my siblings, a bunch of, you know, my aunts, uncles. I've got grandparents. Like, I don't feel right in that. Okay, so this one looks very, very large, again with its own tie and a very pretty blue. I like the addition of the orange. It's like, I love all the colors. I'm not certain about the actual motif itself, but I like that there are tans in it. I love the oranges. I feel like that would work. Oh, I think that would work a lot, actually. I like that. Yeah, I like the colors. I'll try it on and see how we like the motif of it itself. And then, oh, some pants. Okay, so I did request underbelly, and that is definitely overbelly, unfortunately. Okay, it's kind of like an in-betweener, and I really wanted something under, but we'll give it a try. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous deep burgundy type color. Obviously would look gorgeous with blue. And it is the Reagan Maternity Skinny Pants. And on this one it just says Liverpool leggings. And it is in aubergine. Beautiful. It's a really beautiful color, and everything is in a size 8. So I didn't know what size I will be in, because I'm usually in a small to medium maternity or a medium to XXL in straight sizing. It's a mess. So I'm going to try some of these pieces here on. All right. So our butt fits pretty well. Belly fits really well. There's a bit of gapping here, but unfortunately, there is a lot of sagging and gapping at the foot. So I think I might have to size down for the pants because there's a lot of extra fabric. So I definitely need to size down at least once. All right, so then the green one, it goes down a little bit more than I really like. But again, with the tie, and it's not built in, but there are some little bitty loops. It has a really nice end point. It is nice and long, so it does still cover my bum, which I like. I think it would be comfy to tuck in with a skirt, but would really be too long for pants. So, on front, go on the side. There we go. I think this is pretty cute. The top of the sleeves, like there's plenty of room in the sleeves, but they seem to be falling at kind of a weird spot. I am not certain, but it's a pretty nice material. There's, oddly enough, there is no stretch to it, but I think for as feminine as the print is, it makes it very structured and it falls really beautifully. I do like that about it. Very neat. Very neat. All right, it was a smidge hard to take off, which this one is cut in the same way, but doesn't have the same pulling at the arms. The material is different. It is, kind of gives the impression of a stretch, but I think it's because it has like a very slight crepe texture, which even though it has a similar neckline, makes the neckline fall a little bit nicer, a little bit less booby-y. So this one has a little bit more dramatic loops. Not quite as subtle, but still has a tie. And I would be a little bit concerned though on how long it would fit, because obviously I am not growing anymore and there is not really much room left in it if one were to be growing. So as a little top for over leggings, that would be super hecking cute. As a tuck-in top, I'm not certain. I think that I love the colors, but the actual print just isn't really working for me. Let's see. Pants that actually came up. I'm not certain. And I'm not so sure how I feel about the necklines like that. They're a little odd. I'm not certain. I'm gonna try it on with the cardigan though, because I have a feeling that they meant to mix the two, have the two work together. I think that's cute. That kind of helps tone it down. It still feels too bright for me, too much for my personal aesthetic, but let's see if we can pull that together a little bit here. Yeah. So I think it would be really cute. I think it would be really cute on someone. It's just not, it's not my personal style. I think the print itself, I love the colors, but it feels very loud. And I'm just, yeah, I'm just not in love with it, I think, you know? All right, and final, the t-shirt. It is a nice quality. It has a great length. It's soft. I like how it is fitted. It's not too tight, but it's not slovenly relaxed. I love a good 3/4 sleeve or elbow length sleeve. They feel good on my big old monkey arms. Yeah. I'm a fan. I'm a fan of the quality. And the fit isn't bad. Let's talk prices and all the little inclusions. So on our little message, we got the stylist named Danielle, and she did mention that I asked for workwear and that I liked jewel tones, because I specifically said I love dark, kind of jewel tone colors as well as muted pastels. And that I wanted a work focus. I did specifically ask for a more menswear inspired style, which did not get mentioned. All right, so we have the outfits that are described. The workwear outfit, one of them is pretty cute actually. So yeah, pretty neat little setup, though wasn't quite what I was looking for, but I think we've got some cute pieces. So, oof, okay. So, the cardigan we'll start with, because you know I'm keeping it already, obviously. Yeah, did you guess that I love it? Because I do. It is 38, which I know my mind says is too much for a cardigan, but I like it. I love it. I want it. It does have a tiny snag in it, so I will see about exchanging it for one that doesn't have damage. But all in all, ooh, I am cattywampus. All in all, I like this particular piece. It fits very well, I think. All right. The gray top, the Z Supply camo shirt. Also $38. Not home. No. She's not coming home with me. She is going back. All right. The skinny pants in the dark purple and the aubergine. I love the color. They are $78 though. So I could exchange them for a better fit. Or I can return them and say, hey, that exact color, but, you know, not a grocery bill. So I will think about that a smidge. All right, our navy top. There we go. Okay. And the Les Liz maternity tie front blouse. And it was $54. So, no. It's one of those pieces that if I had it, I might wear it maybe once. I love the colors. I like keep saying, I know, keep saying. But I don't, $54, love it. Which brings us to the green version. Same size, cut, different material, same brand. Unfortunately, also same price. It is $54. It is love. The print itself is really lovely. I like softer florals. I love the dark green. And it does pair well with the aubergine. I like the whole jewel tone moment I'm having here. But again, it's $54. And that's it. That's all I've got for y'all today. So I hope this was interesting to you. I hope you like seeing kind of what they offer for maternity. I might do it just once more because I think stylists really need a good 2-3 times to like get you. And I feel that they sent me some very similar. I mean, they were literally the same 2 blouses in a different print. So I want to see what else there is. So we might do it just once more and take a look, see, and see if, you know, if we get any wins. Yeah, I think that's it.